Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to cancel an eBay order. Firstly, log into your eBay account by going to the homepage of eBay on your desktop or mobile app. Hover over to My eBay at the top and select Purchase History from the drop-down menu. Locate the order you want to cancel. Then click on the More Actions drop-down menu next to the order and select Cancel this order. And finally, all you have to do is just click Submit to confirm the cancellation. Just note that you can only cancel within an hour after purchase if the seller hasn't shipped the item. So, make sure to choose your products wisely before ordering. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.